Let's go, boys. Hello, hello, gang, gang. I don't know what to say. Dylan, can you say something funny?
Start recording.
Okay, say something funny.
Yo,
Yeah, I am.
a horse
I
walked
clearly told
into
Wait.
the bar. A horse walked into the bar. The bartender asked,
What? I didn't even get that.
Here. A horse walked into a bar. The bartender asked, why the long face?
William,
Ah,
You- guess what? William makes sense. Guess what? Guess what? In 1917.
Did you know 1917?
Yeah.
I wish I was the boss. Alright, by the way, the amount of music that I'll be singing is slightly copyrighted, so.
I'll just cut it out.
No.
I'll just put something else. Hey.
Elevator music.
Chill. Not to replace the music, Mel. Not to replace the music.
What's your one?
Yeah.
As we can see here, this is a beautiful lake. Lakes and streams are disappearing.
Nature holds some of the most impressive range of different compounds Nature holds some of the most impressive range of chemical compounds that we use in our everyday lives, like coffee.
look at the fish. I realized I didn't put the mic next to me. Kinks has an interesting idea. Real interesting. It's weird.
Oh, I said,
Go Dodgers!
The canopy is a taller. Wait, the canopy is.
they're important to maintaining and expanding the capabilities. Can we restart?
Okay, well done.
Are we done yet? Go.
Double cup, styrofoam, pull it up. And she look bad in the Maybach truck. Bubble butt, cost 10 to feet up. LSD attached, sticky stuff on the tongue. 2500 yeah, we